In today's world, there's an app for everything, from daily essentials to critical business functions. Digital services form the backbone of companies. Imagine the fallout for a bank if its payment service is halted. The reputational damage can even be more severe, underscoring the need to keep services running smoothly 24/7. Delivering these services relies on a tightly interconnected network of components. Even a single failure can cause a domino effect, disrupting the entire system. Proactively understanding and monitoring these dependencies is key to catching and correcting issues early, preventing them from escalating into critical failures. To help customers ensure their services are constantly running, the cloud people harness the power of ServiceNow, combining ITSM and ITOM to fortify service operation visibility and control. Leveraging advanced AI to power anomaly detection, ServiceNow harnesses predictive capabilities that proactively identify and neutralize potential issues. This allows you to maintain uninterrupted service excellence by always staying one step ahead of problems before they arise. We navigate this journey step by step, providing value at every stage with our service operations building blocks, ensuring your services remain resilient. Illuminate your path to seamless service operations with the cloud people. Let's light up your digital world together.